दावत खिताब दूंगी सोसाइटी पब्लिक स्कूल मुगलपुरा के होनहार तालिब इल्म इब्राहिम अहमद को। ऑनरेबल चीफ गेस्ट्स, respected audience, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. We know very well that Pakistan was achieved in the name of Islam. It is the only Islamic nuclear state by the grace of Allah Almighty. Its enemies have always tried to harm and end it and bring it down like a house of cards. But the whole nation always stood united and defeated all the evil plans and designs of the enemies. But dear audience, a time has come again when the enemies of our country are more than active to harm our dear homeland. The question arises here, what is our role as a nation in such a situation? What can we do to keep our country safe and protected? The answer is that only an aware and conscious nation can save its country from the evil designs and plans of the enemies. It is only the awareness and consciousness which can work as a shield against all the evil plans and designs of the enemies. But dear audience, we must remember that this awareness and consciousness will only come through education. Without education, we cannot make our country safe and protected. Education makes us a responsible citizen. It tells us about our rights and duties. It prepares us to offer every sacrifice for our country. That's why Qaid-e-Azam always advises students to pay maximum attention to the studies. So dear fellows, let us make a promise that we shall give the greatest importance to the studies and education because it is our first duty from the nation and country. Thank you.